kids! Do you like water animals? So let's learn A to Z water animals. A for angelfish. A for angelfish. A for albacore. A for albacore. B for barracuda. B for barracuda. B for blue whale. B for blue whale. C for clownfish. C for clownfish. C for cuttlefish. C for cuttlefish. D for dolphin. D for dolphin. D for dragonet. D for dragonet. E for eel. E for eel. E for elephant seal. E for elephant seal. F for fan worm. F for fan worm. F for flying fish. F for flying fish. G for grouper. G for grouper. G for Grunion. G for Grunion. H for Haddock. H for Haddock. H for Hammerhead shark. H for Hammerhead shark. I for Irukandji. I for Irukandji. I for Isopods. I for Isopods. J for Jellyfish. J for Jellyfish. J for John Dory. J for John Dory. K for Krill. K for Krill. K for king mackerel. K for king mackerel. L for lobster. L for lobster. L for lionfish. L for lionfish. M for Manta. M for Manta. M for Manatee. M for Manatee. N for Narwhal. N for Narwhal. N for needlefish. N for needlefish. O for octopus. O for octopus. O for oyster. O for oyster. P for pufferfish. P for pufferfish. P for prawns. P for prawns. Q for Queensland blenny. Q for Queensland blenny. Q for Quillfish. Q for Quillfish. R for rose seal. R for rose seal. R for red snapper. R for red snapper. S for seahorse. S for seahorse. S for starfish. S for starfish. T for tilefish. T for tilefish. T for trumpetfish. T for trumpetfish. U for umbrella squid. U for umbrella squid. U for urchin. U for urchin. V for viperfish. V for viperfish. V for velvet crab. V for velvet crab. W for walrus. W for walrus. W for whale. W for whale. X for X-ray tetra. X for X-ray tetra. X for Zipashura. X for Zipashura. Y for yellow tuna. Y for yellow tuna. Y for yellow tang. Y for yellow tang. Z for zebra shark. Z for zebra shark. Z for zebrafish. Z for zebrafish. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for new videos.